My people, Mona come hear this story. They say this Fulani boy don't come outside. This guy is a cattle rearer wey be say they live inside bush, and he don't come outside. The contour say even the bandits where they for north, they disturb them. They buy some of their brothers and also carry their cow go sell. Now wetin this Fulani boy come talk say that no be all Fulanis na them be bandits. My people, you go tell me what you think about this way this guy talk. But there is a clarification wey they don't do today for Ikwerre. For those of Ikwerres where they claim say they no be Igbo, our brother wey they call Uche don't come outside. Come make this clarification say in forefathers has Igbo name. How come their own forefathers has Igbo name? Then what now happens? That anybody who are claiming they are not Igbo, that means that person have to go and do medical checkup. But in DNA is an Igbo, and Igbo he will die. Very interesting. Let me just bring up the videos for you to watch, and before we come back and continue, don't forget say it's still there for Balabas gist, and share this video immediately, and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates. Thank you so much. Okay guys, I'm going to play this video of waiting this Fulani cattle rearer talk for this video. Then I will leave you to drop your own opinion before we come back and continue.
She said, for God's sake, please tell your people to stop killing the innocent one, abeg. Wait, auntie. I know any person that believes in every single tribe, we have a good people and we have a bad people. That person definitely know that the innocent Fulanis are not safe from that bandit. They are killing us, stealing our cows. They even pursue us from our various places to the other bushes. Imagine, we are not escaped from them. I believe 100% any day that I meet that people, they will kill me. Because they know I'm not bad. They know I'm not stealing, I'm not doing the same work that they are doing. They will kill me. I am a Fulani by tribe. I born in the bush and I grow up in the bush. If living in the bush is a crime, I rather to die in the prison. Zam. For those of you that always say we should pack and go back into the city, never ever. We will never ever try it. You guys that living in the city are escape or are safe? No. Us that living in the bush, we are the problem of this country? No. The major problem of us is the government. Government does not care about us. They are not helping us. No education, no water, no road. They does not care about us. Unless if the time of their campaigning, they are coming into our villages, start lying. They will say if they win, they will build a dam, they will do this, they will do this. After they win. We will not see them. Imagine.
My wonderful people, Shebuna don't hear them. And I want you to drop your own opinion for inside comment section. I'm going to bring you up this video about this our brother for Ikwerre, waiting to talk for his own side, because a lot of things are going on right now. You know, when the pressure is on one particular people, that means something great is about to happen in that side. So I want to use this opportunity to tell any Igbo indige or any Biafra, if you know that your state fall into Biafra, whether you believe or do not believe, please try to get at least 2 plots of land for your village. Try to get that, because something massively is coming to Southeast, and when that began to happen, you will blame yourself for investing outside your region, because then your region will be hot cake. Okay, my people, let me bring you this video for you to see waiting this our brother talk for Ikwerre side.
I'm an Igbo. My DNA is Igbo. My blood is Igbo. My body is Igbo. Ahanwo. Uchechukwu. Okoko.
Wonderful people, I welcome you today to this wonderful interview. It is the Namen TV show and the Unify Igbos Now movement. I still remain your own faithfully Chukwemeka, Chief Ojembe Nwiro, Nkembu Nalibu. I am here with an erudite scholar, Barrister Uche Okuku. the man from Elele in Ikwerre local government area of Rivers State. Please, Barrister, introduce yourself properly, as I couldn't.
Well, first I will introduce myself na asụsụ Igbo before I will speak in English. Awụ m onye Igbo. Ihe ọbara nwa ọbara Igbo, ahụ nwa ahụ Igbo. Awụ m onye Elele na Ikwerre local government area na Rivers State. Arụọna m ọrụ ka ode akwụkwọ ka a na-akpọ Secretary General Ọhaneze ndị Igbo. And arụọna m ọrụ as Director, Legal Services, Movement for the Actualization of the Sovereign State of Biafra, MASOP. Na 2001, mana leader of MASOP then, Chief Raf was Rike, the late Ezigbo Gburugburu, Dimodumegu Emeka Ojukwu, I niile on America to open the first Biafran house in Washington and the Voice of Biafra International VOPI. In 2004, Agram, Geneva, through accreditation from the from an organization to present case ndo by an emebu I presented under the auspices of then Ekwenche, the Chicago-based organization, who have a lot of sympathy, who is supporting our people. Asa Volam, as state chairman, Action Congress of Nigeria, ACN, 2010 to 2011. I am the founder and leader of the Congress for the Liberation of Ikwerre People, COLIP. I facilitated the idea of the establishment of the first ever All Ikwerre Youth Convention, which is called the IYC Ikwerre Youth Convention, that midwifed the Ikwerre Rescue Charter of 1999. Having said this, my name is Uche Chukwu Okuku. Dim Uche Chukwu Okuku. I'm from Elele in Ikwerre local government area of Rivers State. I served as Secretary General of Ọhaneze Igbo in the past. I served as first Director of Legal Services, Movement for the Actualization of the Sovereign State of Biafra, for which I and Wazirika and many others were arrested and tried for treason and other allied offenses. But I was in Switzerland in 2004 to present the case of our people to the Human Rights Commission in Geneva. I was the former state chairman of the ACN, 2010 to 2011. I and other co-travelers like Ihun Obiwale founded the Congress for the Liberation of Ikwerre People on the 24th of April 2000, when crisis was imposed on IYC by the forces that be. And IYC was the organization we formed that midwife the Ikwerre Rescue Charter in 1999. I'm an Igbo. My DNA is Igbo. My blood is Igbo. My body is Igbo. Ahanwo Uche Chukwu Okuku. I will not change my name because of Aham. Ahanamwo Walizi, good son of the soil. Ahanam Okuku Naza. Ahonyamon Nanam wo Elechi. Ahanemo Waba. Ahonyamon Nemo Oyidie. So I don't know how people want to change their names. Because if you change your name, will you change your son name? Will you change your grandfather's name? Will you change your great grandfather's? Abba. Which one will you change? Which one will you leave? I won't say more than ndị Igbo were ire ha gụọ eze ha ọgụ. Ndị iro gbara gburugburu. Onye ndị iro gbara gburugburu na-eme ngịrị. Na-eche ndụ ya nche. And ịma ndị iro ịgba mmadụ gburugburu awụ sọsọ ndụ nọ ntịrị. That means that na onye iro mmadụ nọ ya nso. And ịma onye nwa osebụla ụwa nke anyị a na-akpọ Jesu Kristi. Ọ sị na iro onye mmadụ nwere n'ebe n'ụlọ ya. The greatest enemy is in the household of any man.
Thank you.
Guys, I want you to drop your own opinion in a comment section and share this video so that other people go to see this update and know what thing they go on. Only thing we will do for us now to share the video so that other people will see the get information. Thank you so much for watching and share.